Alright guys, hey, welcome back to another video. So today we're in Final Cut Pro, right? And we're editing our newest live smiling kit video. Check it out if you haven't seen it already. Anyways, so this is our timeline, right? And it's our project. We can like all of these other things, modify, all that stuff. Basically this is just going to be a thing of everything, and if you want to make a new project, go to File, New, and then Project, or you can do Command N. So this is basically just going to be like a tutorial of everything you need to know, starting off in Final Cut Pro. Okay, so if you want to know how I'm expanding it, you got to do Command minus to shorten it, and Command plus to lengthen it. Right? Anyways, so this is my timeline. We've got all of our clips here, our music, everything we need. Anyways, so if you would like to know how to split things, you just like go to wherever you want in your timeline, and then you go to here, you click your blade, or you can click B, or you could do Command B. Right, if you don't want to do it, then you can go back, just do Command Z.
Mikey,
right,
can you give me the prosthetic
and
cloth?
click A to go back. You can also do Command B, of course, but we don't need to do that, so we're just going to Command Z it. Command Z everything. So what I just did is I did a Command V, but we'll do, that's a more advanced thing. Anyways, so here basically I'm just, if you want to split something, Command B and Command B, and then you can just select the clip and delete. So that's how you split things. You can also go to select things. And this is basically got everything, all the tools. It's quite self-explanatory. So anyways, so that's basically how you use the tools, and it's got all the, or it's not how you, it's got like, next to it, it's got all the like keyboard shortcuts. To, you just click one and it goes back to that. Anyways, so you guys can do some experimenting of your own with those. And so yeah. Okay guys, so the next thing we're going to be doing is working on cropping, transforming, and distorting your clips. So you just got to click up here, the little blue square, right? And as you can see, well, this is actually a sideways clip. So what I did is I got my little blue thing, go to transform. This is transform, by the way. Here, you click the blue circle, and you spin it till it's about, boom, yep.
What are you doing?
And then you can expand your clips until they're right size.
Okay, these guys have bought in.
In case you accidentally record sideways, if you have a GoPro like me.
Okay, hack.
Then you can also do your cropping.
Reload your gun.
So you can crop your image here. So if you have like a clip underneath your timeline, it actually shows it. Or if you just wanted your clip to be a little smaller for effect.
Wait, how
and then distorting is like, you just go and you can you can like turn your clips around. You can just mess with your, basically the angle of how it is. Like let me show you. Yeah, so that's cool. You can make it like squished in or spread out. It's just how it messes with your clips. And you also have your keyframes, as I was showing before. And so at each frame you move forward a bit.
Yeah, these guys want it.
Yeah, everyone has that, you see? And then you can go forward with your arrow keys. and then you can stop when you're done. So keyframes are basically like each frame, and you can move it and it will be like an animation, right? And here you can go to your color tab, but I don't usually use it because I just go up here and click on my colors, and you can mess with your colors. These are like all your different things. So color, saturation, exposure. And then here's like all of your basic data, like basic info of your clips, and so like all that different information about your clips. But here's the color. You can mess with your color, you can mess with your saturation. So like you could, as you can see, it makes it all green, right? Make it a little darker green, some blue into it, make it a bit red, and make it look like a movie. Make your clip look a little like a movie or something. As you can see, right there. Anyways, and yeah, so you can just get my friends were dropped because I'm recording. Anyway, so you can just Command Z it all if you want to reset. You've got your keyframes again up here. If you want to keyframe your color, which is quite cool.
No, you know what I need to wear root?
So yeah, and then so just Command Z it to go back to normal. I don't usually mess with my color because GoPros has really good color. Here's your audio, and you can, as you can see, I've put all my audio away because, like, I don't, because of my montage, I have music over, and so like, I don't have my audio. Sometimes I put audio with my montage to make it a bit more real, but I feel like it gives a good effect if you have no audio with your montage. So yeah, you can also make your audio louder if your clips are not loud enough. Yeah, so that's basically all of our info. This is like basically our clip tab of like all the things you need to know about your clip. Oh, one thing I forgot to mention was the arrow that I just put, that's how you import media. And here you have all your clips where you can just drag and drop into your timeline. As you can see, we don't need to do that though. Forgot to show that. Anyways, so yeah, and let's move into our transitions and effects tabs. Okay guys, so this is our effects tab. So here we have all of our video / audio effects. Here you've got like all your different tabs to sort your effects. Anyway, so I'm just gonna search for one of my brother's favorite ones. Fisheye effect. Just drag it onto your clip that you want it on. Alright, and then here's your fisheye. You can move it, make it look funny. Here we go. It's one of my brother's favorite effects, and you've got a lot more where this came from. So there is a lot of effects for you to explore. And you can also look at your you can also look at yourself. Oh, this is funny. And here yeah, it's really cool. You can come, and if you want to get rid of it, you can either Command Z, or you can just delete it from this part on it.
Can you drop me some metal, please?
But you can just move it around. I'm gonna play around with it more. Anyways, and you've got a lot more effects for you to explore and check out what they do and play with them. Now, a lot of different ones. You have one of my most used ones is the colorize, which I use in my diving ones. It's not actually on any of my diving videos. It's on my top 10 list because my top 10 100 sub specialist. because it really makes your effects, it really makes your colors pop. Here,
Right here, go.
down here, it makes your colors red.
Get out
So when
the
you're
car to
diving,
them.
you don't really have much color in your clips, right?
Oh my gosh, you guys.
But it makes it redder and it gives you more effect. Anyways,
Okay, nice.
so
Revive.
yeah, you got tons of different effects.
How'd you
Here's
die?
some of the fish eye.
How did I just die? Emily,
It's so weird.
Emily, don't take my stuff. Get my
Anyways,
Emily.
I'm sorry for my brother screaming in the background.
He's
He's really ragey because he died in Fortnite.
Emily, what are you doing?
Oh my gosh.
Behind you.
Anyways,
Oh
guys,
my
so
God. Emily, what?
I will try and speak louder to try and block his
No, don't worry about my
screaming out. Hold on, guys. Yeah, he's really annoying.
Go
Anyways,
read this in this room.
oh
Don't worry
my
about it.
gosh.
You have 2 medkits, Emily.
Okay, we got it. Guys, I'm
Use
sorry
your
for
pulsers.
technical difficulties. Please stand by. Anyways, we have all the different
start reading,
effects.
and then
And here's some cool comic effects. So if you want to like animate
Also
your
drop the comments,
effects,
'cause you
you
just
can
don't
just
have
drag
to
these in and watch.
For some reason, when I just touched
And
the
you
sword,
see.
I
So if you
died.
want to have like an
Wait, Emily, drop the
animated
comments.
video without actually having to do animating, throw one of these in,
Yeah,
and
but you can
it
open
looks
while
quite
you're
cool.
ready.
Anyways, so let's move on to the transitions tab. Okay, guys, so this is our transitions tab.
Sorry, we couldn't.
So here's all of our transitions that we have. You can explore these by yourself, and so transitions, you can put them between clips. It makes like a little thingy. It makes like a transition. It's really cool. There's lots of really cool transitions for you to explore by yourself, and yeah, so you guys could explore. Anyways, thank you for watching our Final Cut Pro
Oh my
editing
gosh.
tutorial. We will do more editing tutorials in the
Don't
future.
worry, Storm's really slow.
iMovie, GoPro app, and even PlayStation.
Lily, you're so good.
What's it called? PlayStation editing tutorials. So we will see you guys in the next video. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.